Do you have this flash and you think you can't create high quality photos? Then you're wrong. Hi and welcome to the video. In today's video we're going to create high quality products photo like this just using this flash. It's the Godox TT520, and this is all we're going to need to create photos for today. No softboxes needed, no extra lights needed, just the flash, your camera and your talent. So if you're ready, let's get started. Today I'm photographing this sunscreen product. It's actually an old bottle that I had, and as you can see it's quite scratched. That means I'll need to spend more time in post-production to fix those imperfections. To avoid that, always make sure to work with a clean, well-prepared product before shooting. It saves you a lot of retouching later. The packaging itself is very simple, which is great because it matches the clean minimal product photo style I like to create. For the setup, I'm placing the products on a small prop to give it a bit of height and dimension. I'm also using a whiteboard in front of the prop to act as a wall, and a white backdrop to keep the overall look soft and minimalist. For our hero today, the flash. This flash is one of the easiest types to use. All you need to do is find the right brightness level for your scene. The best way to do that is by testing. Try different power levels and observe how the light changes. Over time, you'll get a feel for which settings work best for your style. Always take a test shot and adjust as you go. For this setup, I'm starting with the second power level. It will probably be a bit dark at first, but that's fine. We'll test, review and fine-tune until we get the perfect lighting balance. Now let's talk about camera settings. First, I always keep the ISO as low as possible, usually at 100, to avoid introducing any digital noise or grain into the raw file. A low ISO gives you the cleanest image and the best color quality to work with in post. For the shutter speed, I'm setting it to 1/80 of a second. Since the camera is mounted on a tripod, I don't have to worry about camera shake, and this speed allows enough light to pass through the lens without overexposing the shot. As for the aperture, I'm shooting at f/9. That gives me a deeper depth of field, meaning the entire product, including the text on the packaging, stays sharp and in focus. It's a great choice when you want clarity and detail across the whole frame. Now let's move on to the retouching process. I'll show you the before and after of each layer so you can clearly see the difference. I started by cropping and slightly adjusting the composition to center the product better. Then I replaced and brightened the background color to make it look lighter and cleaner. Next, I worked on a healing layer. This step took the most time since the product was quite scratched and dented. I removed all the imperfections to make sure the surface looks smooth and polished. After that, I separated the products from the background so I could adjust each one individually. I brightened the background a bit more, then moved to camera raw. for color correction on the product itself, just to bring back natural tones and contrast. Finally, I added a few global adjustment layers, selective color, saturation, and a soft photo filter to harmonize the overall look and make the final image feel cohesive and bright. And here is the final result, clean, minimalist, and ready to share. I hope this video is helpful, and I really like this flash, like it does the job. So my videos are for beginners photographers who are limited in budget but want to create good quality photos. So my channel is for you. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.